For today, we have this Hyundai Elantra in. Issue is it's always idling high and it has a rattle noise on cold start, and it is currently having an engine light. You can see the engine light is right there, and the RPMs are always high, they don't go down. I already inspected this car previously, and it does have this code, camshaft crankshaft correlation. What I've done is I removed the valve cover and I checked the timing, and it is really stretched. So what we're doing today is we're replacing the timing chain and the components, all straight from Hyundai. So this right here is our chain, and you can see the amount of slack it's having, which is not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be nice and tight. I have this tucked in behind the wheel. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove these bolts right here, and then I'm going to support the engine from the bottom. Now the engine is supported, you can remove the brackets. Alright, so we need to remove the alternator in order to remove the cover and all the other accessories as well. So let's start with this. There's our alternator. There's our tensioner. There's our pulley. Now that we have all the bolts out, timing cover is now ready to come out. There we go, it just popped out. This is our timing chain right here. You can see the amount of slack. This chain is almost coming out. Now what we're going to do is rotate the engine until the chain is timed. You can see these yellow notches. They should perfectly fit with the notches on the camshaft and on the crankshaft. I will show you once it's done. Alright, there we go. Our marks. You see the dot right here and one dot right here. And the car is one tooth over. This is our issue right here. Just to confirm, you can see the dot on the crankshaft is aligning with the mark on the chain. There's our tensioner. Yep. And there's our second guide. there's our train. So here's a side by side. And you can see how much longer the old one is than the new one. Pretty crazy, no? Alright, let's put this chain back in, just like so for now. Now, I'm going to be putting back the guides. There's our second guide. What I'm going to be doing now is aligning the crankshaft mark first. There we go. Crankshaft is aligned. Now that I have all 3 marks lined up, I'm holding all the slack on this tensioner right here. Make sure all the slack is on this side. Now I can put that the new tensioner. Now we can pull the pin. Boom. All nice and tight. One last check. You can see the marks right here, and the one in the very bottom right down there. We're finished with the timing cover now. I'm going to put the valve cover back on and put the RTV, let it dry for now. Alright, so it's currently the next day. We let the timing cover and the valve cover dry. Great, time to start it. Now, before I start it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this code. All codes are cleared now. We're ready to start. She's all started. RPMs are going down. And there are currently no codes coming back. At this point, it's safe to say that we have succeeded. Alright, so the car was idling for a little bit, getting warmed up. And now it's already idling under 1000 RPM. Compared to before, it was sitting at 1500 RPMs. It fully warmed up. So the job here is done.